Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. My channel, my agenda, my videos coming up. I'd like to introduce my wife to you, Valerie.
Hello, everybody.
And before I get into the video, I just wanted to do that. Let's jump into the video here. I'd like to take a step back and give everyone some background about me. One of my earlier childhood memories was visits to the doctor, lots of them. I had asthma and multiple allergies. By the time I was in third grade, I'd been in the hospital twice for pneumonia and missed a combined 75 days of school in 2 years' time. Being this ill did not slow me down mentally, but it did slow me down physically. I simply could not keep up with the others and had next to no coordination. Of course, quite a few of my classmates, and unfortunately a teacher, picked up on this. This bullying started. It was relentless and ruthless. Not only did the kids pick on this, but I had a phys ed teacher that did as well. I had no friends at school. I dreaded going in every day. It truly was a battle even getting up in the morning. I did have a few friends outside of school who accepted me for who I was. And I got better physically and with my coordination slowly but surely. One of the outlets that really helped me was building plastic models. Ships, planes, cars, rockets, you name it. And I got very good at it. It seemed as each year went by, the bullying was dissipating. It got much better when several school districts merged and those that were doing the bullying were spread out. I wish I could say that I no longer get bullied as an adult. Unfortunately, that's not the case. I've experienced it both personally and professionally. However, I'm much better equipped to handle it as an adult. For those of you who have seen my Bill the Drone Reviewer Who Is video, you know why I created the channel. If you haven't watched it, I suggest you do. My doing models as a youngster has grown to flying drones and talking about them, and I love doing it. I wanted to make this channel a safe place where as long as you follow my guidelines, you are free to express views contrary to others. I welcome and encourage that within the guidelines. Last night I put out a video entitled UAV Forecast, my favorite drone app. I received great comments until I received one from Mike Honcho, quote unquote. The user based his name on a fictional character from the movie Talladega Nights. His comment read as follows: "Interesting you chose this. I saw this in workshop. There was a poll on this earlier today." My reply: "This was mentioned in my Tuesday night rotor talk at 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Then someone else replied. I went back and looked at the poll and the workshop was created at 5:24 p.m. I believe that intent was to create a video. Not sure if that's what Mike you were referring, but looked like that hit before rotor did." Then my comment: "The video was planned last weekend when I typed up my agenda for Tuesday night rotor talk live. I've been planning on doing this for several weeks." I followed it up with this comment: "I have an email from April 22nd regarding upcoming video ideas that mention this." Backing up for a moment, workshop refers to DJI Workshop Group on Facebook. Here's a screenshot of the poll from DJI Workshop showing the time and date it was created. Here's a screenshot of an email from April 22nd showing my mentioning this. Please note that my personal email address was redacted along with other video ideas. This proves that this video was planned before the poll. A few words. You can see from my background why I'm against bullying or harassment in any form. It will not be tolerated on this channel, and I will not only block but send a detailed report to YouTube. I want to be very clear about something. I'm not in competition with any channel. We as drone-related content creators should be here to build one another up, support, and encourage each other. The YouTube account called Mike Honcho is not a real channel. There are no videos liked, no playlists, and no videos created. It is my belief that this channel was set up solely for the purpose of harassment, bullying, and critical comments. I'm looking forward to having Kelly Shores from Ready Set Drone on my show this coming Tuesday. Kelly was originally scheduled to be on my show on April 17th, but apologized as he simply forgot. He's scheduled to be on another show before mine. I want to call to your attention that I did not go out and accuse anyone of stealing an idea for a show or a guest when I very easily could have. There are a disproportionate number of dislikes on this video. All the comments except one were positive. This leads me to believe that someone has created accounts with the purpose of disliking videos. And for those of you who want to know why this matters, it disrupts YouTube algorithms and my video will rank lower in search results. Going forward, I will email all future video ideas to a trusted subscriber. It's sad that I have to do this, but unfortunately I need to protect my channel. I would ask that if you haven't done so, to watch the video in question, hit the like button, and leave a comment. This is the best way we can send a message loud and clear to the Mike Honchos of the world that we won't stand for their bullying tactics. And Mike Honcho, I have some words for you. Before you accuse someone of doing something, get all the facts. And don't hide behind a non-real channel. My channel, my agenda, my videos. If you like the content from today, I ask that you please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI related. And also check out my Twitter account where I do post regular updates there as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy flying.